Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily block all the pop-ups on Google Chrome browser. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, you'll have to open up Google Chrome browser and make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and you'll have to tap on those three dots on the bottom right corner, and then you'll have to scroll this bar and hit settings. Now you'll have to scroll down to the bottom, and in the last section you'll be able to find an option of content settings, and you'll have to tap on it. Now it will take you to a new page where you'll be able to find an option of block pop-ups on the top of your screen, and you'll have to tap on it, and by default it will be turned off. And if you want to block all types of pop-ups on your Google Chrome browser on your Android and iPhone, you can simply toggle this option on. Now all the pop-ups will be blocked and you'll not be able to face any pop-up on your Google Chrome while you are browsing different websites. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.